Want to make your own emoji on iOS 18? Let's get started. To make your own emoji on your iPhone, make sure you have the new iOS 18 version in your phone. And make sure this setting is enabled, so go to Setting, then General, and scroll down and click on Keyboard and enable this setting of Send Sticker from Emoji Keyboard. Now, after this, download the photos to which you want to make emojis from Google, Pinterest, or TikTok by searching iOS 18 emojis. Now after this, go to Gallery and long press on the photo. After that, it will make a cutout, and above, you will find an option called Add Sticker. Click on that option and your photo will turn into an emoji. And it's done! Now you can use it as emojis. Reminder, it only works on iMessages and Notes. And you can send it as big stickers or as little emojis along with your text.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.